Medical readiness in survival is about response under pressure. The SurviveX First Aid Kit is organized to support immediate action rather than exploration, offering essential supplies arranged for clarity when time and focus are limited. In use, the kit allows wounds to be treated methodically, reducing hesitation during moments when stress can cloud judgment. Bandaging, cleaning, and basic care items are accessible without sorting through excess, helping maintain calm during injury response. Over time, the kit becomes a quiet form of preparedness rather than an active tool, something carried with the understanding that it may never be used, but must work instantly if it is. In survival contexts, that assurance often restores control before treatment even begins. Carrying capacity in survival is not about volume alone. It's about load balance, durability, and how gear behaves once it's been carried for hours under strain. The Maxpedition Gyre Falcon backpack is designed with that reality in mind, offering a structure that holds weight close and distributes it evenly across the body. In real use, the pack remains stable during movement, reducing shift and fatigue over long distances. The materials handle abrasion and weather without softening or losing form, and access points allow gear to be reached without unloading everything else. Over time, the pack becomes less noticeable on the body, which is often the highest compliment for load-bearing equipment. In survival scenarios, a backpack that supports movement rather than fighting it can determine how long momentum is maintained. Water in survival is never guaranteed, and the ability to make it safe quickly can change the direction of an entire situation. The Grail Ultra Press approaches purification with directness, removing complexity from a task that often needs to be done repeatedly and under pressure. In use, the press system allows untreated water to be converted into drinkable water with controlled effort, without relying on long wait times or external accessories. The bottle holds up to repeated use, maintaining seal integrity and filtration consistency even as conditions vary. Over time, it becomes less about purification and more about continuity, supporting hydration wherever water is found rather than where it's expected. In survival environments, tools that reduce dependency and increase autonomy tend to carry the greatest value. In survival environments, clearing and shaping the landscape often becomes necessary long before comfort is considered. Dense vegetation, fallen branches, and uneven growth can slow movement and limit options for shelter or firewood. The Kershaw Camp 10 machete is designed for those moments, offering length and weight that support controlled clearing rather than aggressive chopping. In use, the blade carries momentum cleanly, allowing brush and light wood to be cut with fewer repeated strikes. Balance remains steady through extended use, reducing fatigue and helping maintain accuracy when energy is limited. Over time, the machete becomes less about force and more about efficiency, removing obstacles deliberately while conserving strength. In survival scenarios, tools that simplify movement without overexertion often shape how safely progress continues. When tasks shift from clearing to shaping, a hatchet often becomes the more precise choice. The Nedfoss Warthog Camping Hatchet Axe is built for controlled work, splitting kindling, notching wood, and preparing materials for shelter or fire. In real use, the head settles into wood predictably, delivering power without excessive vibration. The handle provides a stable connection, supporting deliberate strikes even when conditions reduce footing or grip strength. Overextended use, the hatchet encourages restraint rather than speed, allowing work to continue steadily without unnecessary risk. In survival situations where injuries carry weight, tools that reward controlled technique tend to be relied on longer and with greater confidence. In survival situations, medical readiness is less about having advanced tools and more about being able to respond immediately, clearly, and without hesitation. The Skywood Survival First Aid Kit is built around that principle, offering a broad range of essential supplies organized for quick access rather than exploration. In use, the kit supports calm decision-making, allowing injuries to be addressed methodically instead of reactively. Bandages, wound care items, and basic emergency tools are arranged to reduce confusion when stress is high and time matters. Over time, the kit becomes a form of reassurance rather than equipment you actively think about. Knowing it's there and knowing it's complete helps shift focus back to movement, shelter, and situational awareness. In survival contexts, that confidence often matters as much as the treatment itself. In camp, rest doesn't always mean sleep. Sometimes it's about lifting the body off uneven ground and allowing tension to ease without fully disengaging from the environment. The CovaCure camping hammock supports that kind of pause by creating a suspended resting space that adapts naturally to terrain where flat ground is limited. In real use, the fabric distributes weight evenly, reducing pressure points and allowing longer periods of rest without constant adjustment. Set up between trees or solid anchors feels straightforward, and once tensioned, the hammock remains stable without sway becoming distracting. Over time, it becomes a reliable place to slow down, used for short breaks, quiet moments, or recovery between tasks. In longer camps, that ability to rest lightly but effectively often contributes more to endurance than comfort alone. As daylight fades, lighting begins to shape how camp functions. Tasks either continue smoothly or become rushed, depending on how well visibility is managed. The Soccer portable camping light with stand approaches illumination as a fixed point rather than a moving source. In use, the stand elevates the light to a practical height, allowing it to spread evenly across a shared area without harsh glare. Brightness remains controlled, supporting cooking, organization, or conversation without overwhelming the space. The light stays where it's placed, reducing the need for constant repositioning as activities change. Over time, it becomes part of camp structure rather than an accessory, helping evenings settle into a steady, unhurried rhythm. Power in camp becomes valuable when it feels dependable rather than urgent. Devices are charged not for convenience, but to maintain navigation, communication, and continuity. The Anchor Prime Power Bank is built around that expectation, offering high-capacity energy storage that supports extended use without constant planning. In real-world conditions, output remains stable across multiple devices, and charging behavior stays predictable from start to finish. The unit integrates easily into daily routine, operating quietly and without drawing focus. Over time, it becomes less about capacity and more about assurance, allowing technology to remain functional without reshaping the camping experience. In camps where modern tools and outdoor living intersect, dependable power often supports confidence as much as capability. Sleep in survival is rarely deep, but it still has to be restorative. Cold air and heat loss quietly strip strength, slowing reaction time and decision-making the next day. The Teton Sports Deer Hunter sleeping bag is designed to protect recovery in environments where temperatures drop and rest becomes fragile. In real use, insulation retains warmth without requiring constant repositioning, and the bag creates a stable microclimate that reduces the body's effort to stay warm through the night. The material feels built for rough handling and repeated use, which matters when gear is packed, unpacked, and exposed to moisture and debris. Over time, the bag becomes less of a comfort item and more of a resilience tool, supporting recovery so movement stays steady and judgment stays clear. If you'd like more videos like this, you can subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated.